Hi there, Spark fans. Rob Reynolds here once again. We see a lot of products out there advertised as one size fits all. And that's probably okay for things like, I don't know, wool caps or maybe a Snuggie. But with electronics, one size fits all usually doesn't work. I mean, say you want to measure the distance to something. Well, right now, we've got over 3 dozen sensors that measure distance and proximity. So one size rarely fits all with electronics. And it doesn't just go for sensors, it goes for our kits as well. Now, suppose you've got a young kid who's showing a great interest in electronics. That's great, and you want to encourage that. But you're not sure if you want to take the plunge to buy the full SIK just to test out the waters. Well, we hear you and we understand, and that's why we also offer the SparkFun Tinker Kit. This kit has everything you need to go through the almost a dozen example projects in our hookup guide, and of course it all starts with the SparkFun Redboard Qwiic. And to really get things rolling, there's also a SparkFun motor driver. See what I did there? There's a standard sized breadboard on which to set up each experiment. The kit includes a sub-micro servo motor and a pair of 200 RPM gear motors. There's a TMP36 temperature sensor, a mini photocell, and a small piezo speaker. To make things colorful and blinky, we've added a common cathode diffused RGB LED, along with some red, blue, yellow, and green LEDs. Red, green, yellow, and blue buttons let you experiment with digital input. We've got a mini power switch and a 10K trim pot, plus some 330 and 10K ohm resistors, and a bag of jumper wires to connect everything together. For power and data, there's a reversible USB-A to reversible micro USB, which I'm pretty sure is some type of voodoo magic. And if you want your project to go mobile, we've included a 4x AA barrel jack battery holder. If you're familiar with the previous incarnation of our Tinker Kit, then you'll notice that the only real change here is the Redboard. We've moved to the Redboard Qwiic because we've learned from all of you that once you finish all the experiments in this kit, you want to keep going. And our Qwiic system is the fastest, easiest way to start adding more I2C components to your kit without ever having to pick up a soldering iron. Now, like its bigger sibling, the SIK, this kit starts you out blinking an LED, pretty much the hello world of physical computing. From there, it guides you through experiments involving light, sound, digital and analog input, and motion, and then it starts combining them all to show you just how easy it is to take smaller bits of components and code and put them together to make countless larger projects. And with the Redboard Qwiic at its heart, this kit can have your child well on their way to becoming the next Caleb Anderson. So if you're looking for one size fits all, maybe go to the local Halloween costume shop. But if you're looking for something that's exactly the right size, check out the new SparkFun Tinker Kit. Pick up yours over at sparkfun.com, and as always, stay safe, be kind, and happy hacking. If you're going well so far. If you're familiar with our previous not incantation, we're not summoning these from the dead. If you're previous with our previous incarnation of the, what's this called? From there, the experiments lead you through experiments. Oh. If you're familiar with our previous now I can't stop saying incantation, incarnation. Isn't that where I stopped last time? Sure is. Oh yeah, I know what comes next. Watch this.